Welcome to Rustbuster Frameworks Installation Guide for Toyota's 95-04 Tacoma. Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of their manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift or jack your vehicle and support it with jack stands. Remove any factory or aftermarket accessories and drop your gas tank for purposes of safety and to gain clear access to your vehicle's frame. Step 3. Hold the part up to the vehicle and take note of its coverage. Begin cleaning the frame free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal, while retaining enough material to weld back onto. Step 4. Push the part onto the rail using the body mount brackets and frame holes for alignment. Note: our part features a series of water drain holes in the bottom. If there is still material in the way of these holes, we recommend removing it to promote frame longevity. Step 5. Jack and C-clamp the part to the frame and begin welding it around all edges. Reassemble your vehicle, and you're done.